Hello everyone, this is Sushant Gaonkar, iconic career mentor, recipient of India's Top Career Council Award and number one best-selling author. In my iconic career talk show series, I invite professionals who have embarked on this journey to build iconic careers. Today my guest is Dr. Kundan Ingale, a project management professional in the pharma industry. So without further ado, let me start talking to Kundan. Kundan, can you tell me more about yourself? What you do and how you benefit society through your work?
Yeah, okay. Great. Thank you, Sushant. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to talk with you. And thanks for mentoring throughout. So basically, I work as a project manager for early and late stage drug discovery and development projects. I basically enable cross-functional R&D teams to collaborate and deliver innovative solutions for the discovery projects that are at hand. So my job benefits the society in terms of getting drugs for critical diseases to the market as fast as it is possible. So just like for COVID, as it was an emergency and we could find out a drug faster. So that's how I come in play to society.
Wonderful. I think you're in a great position to be of service to society directly through your work. Okay, very few people get that opportunity actually. So wonderful. So thank you for coming on board, Kundan.